The Wogaard team are back at Seco in preparation for their ITI aerospace event taking place on September the 28th. This is a hybrid event, so it can be attended online or live, whatever is easiest for you. This event will see the very latest in techniques of machining very difficult to cut aerospace materials, along with additive manufacturing and some great seminars in which sustainability will be featured. But we've got some even more exciting news for this event. Wogaard, for the very first time worldwide, will be launching its Beacon UV cleaning system. This system will be used on your machine coolant sumps and keep that bacteria down to safe working parameters. Not only good for operators, the environment, but achieving your sustainability goals. So please don't delay and get registered on the link below. And we really look forward to seeing you for the launch of the Beacon UV system at the ITI event at Seco.